Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an aloe vera slime. So you're going to want an aloe vera, add some aloe vera, a bowl, anything to mix with. I'm using a Q-tip, baby powder, and baby oil. Start off by grabbing your aloe vera and putting it as much as you want into your bowl. And then start off, and then you're going to want to mix that aloe vera in just a bit, and then grab baby powder. No, I mean your baby oil. Just kind of hard to open. And then you're gonna pour some into your bowl. Not that much. Really nothing. Then and it got on me a bit. I was using this to wipe it off of me, but it's okay. Now you're gonna grab your baby powder and start putting it in there. That's what's gonna make it clump up a lot. So just close it and grab this, start mixing it. You might start having a consistency like this, and if a consistency like that, you're gonna add more aloe vera, but only a tiny bit more, because this means that you have a bunch of baby powder and not of baby powder. And then if you have a consistency like that, then you don't add more baby powder to it. Just a smidge more, not that much more. Oh, it's on the keyboard. Let me show you guys. It's on the keyboard right now. But when you have this, I'm gonna start mixing that in. So, yeah, I made a big mess, but and then you're gonna start all that in. Do you make this like Play-Doh consistency type thing? A little dough type consistency. If you start touching it and it's very hard for you, so if it's like that, you can redo the steps over and over again. But this is what you're supposed to end up with, this clay type thing. It's not really slime, but it's a dough. It kind of drizzles a little bit, but yeah, I made a big mess. But you're gonna have a little doughy thing. And what I really like about it is that if you leave it alone, it turns like greasy. But then if you start playing with it, it turns hard. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Then you start playing with it, and it doesn't melt. That's what I really like about this slime. It's actually a lot like oobleck, if you guys don't know what oobleck is. It's like what this is. And many people have these products at home. If you don't have aloe vera, it's for like if you have a sunburn or like thing like that. But yeah. But yeah, this is a little slime. It's not really slime, it's like dough type thing. But it's like oobleck and it's very fun to play with. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, smash that like button. So yeah, bye guys.